Hello out there, this is Sabar Kumar. Welcome to the first mental ability tutorials for beginners. Well, mental ability is something which you need to know in whichever field you go, whether it's science, commerce or arts. So I'm here to bring you a mental ability series tutorials which would help you from the beginner's level to the advanced level. So I will be starting with beginner's level, that's level 1, and it's the first tutorial, and I will be covering something called this number series. Okay? There is no end to the type of mental ability, but there are some basic things which are common in all the type of questions. So I will be covering those topics and take care. Here we go. Okay, first of all, let me give you some examples, rather one example. Here it is, 5, 9, 13, 17, dash, dash, 29, and dash. Okay, alright. Now, how to solve this one? First, all of you need to concentrate here. Whenever you get such a problem, any number series problem, find the difference, look at the first three numbers and find the difference of first two and second and third one. Where in this case it's 4 and 4. Here it goes. So 4, 4, and then even in third one it's 4. So one thing is for sure, the number series consists of 4 numbers. So here we go. So whenever we get to the series, we need just to add the same number to the number after which the dash has been given. So here it is, 17 plus 4, it's 21. Alright. Now, another plus 4, it's 25. And here it will be 33. Alright. It's a very basic one. It's also known as AP, right? Sorry, there. Okay. Now, let's move to a different type of series. Here in this case, as I told you, you need to first subtract and see whether it would be 80. Okay, look, 32 and 18, the difference is 48, and here it is 120. So you will say, what the heck we can do here? Well, other than AP, there is something called geometric progression. Well, the term doesn't matter, you need to know how to do it. So we will first need to do is, 80 divided by 32 and 200 divided by 80. Are they both same? Let's check. 80 divided by 32 is 5 by 2. Alright. Yeah, 5 by 2. And 200 divided by 80, it's 5 by 2, the same thing. So here what we will write is into 200 into 5 by 2. That's 500. Alright. Now into 5, it's 2500 divided by 2, 1250. So it's correct. And thus we can say that the series matches. And the last one we can find out into 5, it's 6250 divided by 2. Is, I think, 6250 divided by 2. You can find it out, or you can write it 3125. Okay, you can guess it. All right. Now, it's not always you can always be sure that there will be such a number series where it will be AP or GP, that's addition or multiplication, subtraction or division, and they're one and the same. Now, for this question, suppose 10 minus 7, 3, 15 minus 10, 5. Oh, not done. 10 by 7 and 15 by 10. 15 by 10, yeah. It's too different. So what we can do here? Okay, sorry. See, whenever such case comes, you need to write down the difference. Alright, here it will be 3, 5, here it's 9, sorry 11, here it's 13. So you can find that there is a difference of 2 here, difference of 2 here. So you can tell there is a possibility that their below numbers are in AP. So let's try it out. So the next will be 7. I guess it add 7, it's 22. Now next ought to be 9, and 31 minus 22 is indeed 9. Now, so since it's satisfied, we can go ahead straight, plus 15, and it's damn sure that it's going to be 70. 70 plus 17 is 87. So, in this case, what you need to do is think about the difference and the difference of differences. That if it's 3, here it's 5, so difference of differences is 2, 2, 2, 2. So it's constant. Well, I don't think at such a level you will get difference of differences of differences at multiple levels. Only 2 levels is sufficient for you, I guess. Okay, alright. Now this one is a little tricky one. Well, there is not always sure that it is going to, since it's a mental ability, it's not always sure there is some procedure. There can be something odd and typical too. For, like in this case, 13, 17, 19. It's 4, 2, again 2 here, again 6 here. So it's totally scrambled. You cannot find any relationship here. So in this case, you need to look at the numbers and the type of numbers it is. 13, 17, 19, 29, 31, 37, 43. What are these numbers called? Well, you must have learned in the 2nd or 3rd grade, that's 3rd class. There's something called prime number, which is not divisible by any other number except its own, the number itself, and 1. Yeah, I guess I'm right. So 13, 17, 19. What do next is, between 19 and 29, how many numbers are there? Prime numbers, I guess. Yeah, 23 is the only one, and here is only one dash. So for be sure, it's going to be 23. Alright now, 29, 31, 37, yeah, it accepts all the order. Between 37 and 43. Well, other than 2, all the prime numbers are odd numbers, so it's certainly not going to be 38, 40, or 42. So we must check 39, yeah, 13 into 3, it's not a prime number. 41, yeah, it's not divisible by any of the numbers. So go ahead and write down 41. Here you need to solve it. Well, you need to work out this very fast in your mind. Okay, now this is a different case. Okay, before that, I need to add one more series to make this really simple. I hope you know this one. Surely you know what's the next. It's the square of 1, square of 2, square of 3, square of 4. So next we're going to square of 5. So it's 25. Okay, alright now. In this case, the difference is 0, 2, 1, 1, 4, minus 2. Well, it's odd. Really odd. Well, in number series, there can be something so-called the alternate series too. What it means? It's 1, the next value of the series is 3, and 5, and 7. It can be such that the alternate numbers of the series form another series. So that means 2 series integrated in a single series. So in this case, you get to look what is the pattern there. 1, it's 1, 3, 5, 7. It's plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, odd number series. So if I add 1, it's going to be 9. So eliminate all those things we have done. Here it's now next 1, 4, 9. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square. We have learned it the previous time. And it's 4 square. What is it? It's 16. Okay, now I hope you can solve this one. 1, 1, 2, 8, 1, 2, 5. Okay. There are 2 ways of knowing this one. 1 cube 1, 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27, 4 cube 64, 5 cube 125, all the other way around. Alternative series as I've taught you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here 1, 8, 27, 64, 125. Okay, alright. I'm not writing it down, it's very simple. Now, in a number series, there can be various variations. It's not possible to teach you all of them, but give you an idea of all of them. Okay, alright now. In this case, You tried anything alternate series? Well, it seems really heck. 26, 124, you can't expect to get such numbers and multiply them and get such, because it still shows that this is a odd number, means prime number, so there is no division multiplication here. Okay, alright now. When you get to the series, all you need to think is, if I add one or subtract one or multiply by something, is it going to form any series out here? Well, I guess it's going to. Let's get done. Okay. Add 1 to all of them. 1, 8, 27 dash plus 1, 125 216 dash plus 1 and 512. Okay, alright now. Here it is. 1 square, 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 5 cube, 6 cube, and 8 cube. So here will be 7 cube. Here is going to be 4 cube. So 4 cube is 64 minus 1, it's 63. So here we will go and type 63. And here we will go and type 343. Yeah, alright. 342, sorry. All I need to tell you from this lesson is, you will get a different type of series of, in different patterns of number series, like there may be magic square or something like that. All you need to do, these are the basic things you need to learn and understand the variations. Alright, for variations, you can subscribe to my website, that's indianportal.webs.com. These will in lowercase, all of them. So please remember, subscribe here, become a member, go to tutorials forum. It's completely for free. You can ask your questions and doubts here. I will solve them for sure. And I will be posting some materials too there. So that's all for now. And don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching.